Stop watching cake videos and start baking.
We've all been there, repeatedly watching cake video design ideas from dusk till dawn to find a cake that we can do on our level or with the tools and ingredients we have.
It is counterproductive and paralyzing.
Sometimes watching videos of how professionals do it may even shatter our confidence in making the cake, knowing we cannot make the cake at their level. So stop. Start simple and go with the basics. Gain confidence and experience, and obtain the skills step by step. We all start from level 1 and should not expect to be doing cake decorating levels above us. All cakes are generally divided into two parts, the cake itself then the decoration. If the cake is for eating or gifting, the cake taste and texture is the priority. The decoration is secondary. The person eats with their mouth, not their eyes. Remember that. After this video, stop watching anything else, grab some eggs, flour and sugar and make it happen. Plenty of 3-ingredient cakes out there, the concept is the same. Do it! If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!